Hello, I'm Sylvia. This is Sharon. You are 15C003. I'm here to explain my fifth Unix program, that is using file processing using the shell script. So my first program is find the number of occurrence of a given word or a character in a file. The number of times the word is occurring in the file. So let me show the program for that. So here it is. First thing is I've just given a enter. I need a file name. So enter the file name. Then I'm reading the file name and I have to find the pattern which I want to search in the file. So I've just given enter the pattern to search and I've given that as a token. Now if the file -f of file name, then count. Grep is used for counting the number of counting the line where it is present, and grep will give the entire line which is having that pattern which we are searching. So count equal to grep of the token, then file name, then word count, the length of the word, how many times it's occurring, then echo statement, we are going to return the value of count. So and for ending the file we have to give F5. So let me show the output. So now let me show the output. So first it's asking me to enter the file name. So I have already created the file name here. So that file name is 51.txt. I'm just giving that here, and it's asking me enter the pattern to search. So I've already given a text inside the file. I'll just give the pattern as hello. So here it will, if I give that, it will give me there, since I have given word count hyphen length, so it will give me number of times the hello is being printed in the been appearing in the text. So one time. So that is the output of the first program. Now my second, this is find and replace a word or a character in the file using shell programming. Shell programming. So let me show that. Yeah. So first thing is I have to enter the file name which I want to open, and then I'll be entering the string which is to be replaced, that I'm giving as old, and next I will be entering which word I have to replace, and next enter the replace string, that will be my new, which has been this, and I've just given old /new, then file name. Of this is for sed is the command which is used for replacing. So now let me show that output. So it's asking me to enter the file name fv1.text. So now I will be giving enter the string that I have to be replacing. I'll give hello into, I have to replace it to hi. So it will be giving me hi, how are you, hi, I am Sylvia. Wherever there is hello, that will be changing into hi. So this is about the third program. And next, my fourth program is display the information with the header like inode number, permission, links, and owner ID, etc. These 9 things we have to be displaying that informations in the given file. So let me show that. vi3.sh. So first thing is I will be entering the file name, and I have given the file name as I'm reading the file. Then I have to give echo file inode number. Then from ls I just need the inode number. So I'm using the cut operation here. That will be my first thing, and minus d. Then after that permission, similarly I'll be cutting only the name of the permission f name from that, and similarly I've done for link, owner ID, group ID, month created, etc. So this is about the program. Now let me show the output for this. sh53, enter the file name. I will give the same file 5.txt. So it will be showing me this inode number, permission when it was this, then the link, then owner ID is CS003, and month created, size, then file name, and the timing when it was created, etc. So this is about the third program. fourth one is about display the user information, that is username, terminal number, date, time and IP address. So I've just given who's for the username, who is using my this and how many times they have logged inside my account. For that details I have just given the program here. Enter the user and I've read the read it x, then who grep is, it will be showing me the user who have used it, and number of times they have logged in is I've used wc minus -n, that is to show me how many times they have logged inside the account. So now just let me run it and show. So enter the user, I'll just randomly give some name. So it will show me this is the enter the username. I've just given a name and it will show me the number of times the user logged in is 0. The last program is so last one is define the login information, file, etc. password, that is we have to give the username, password, user ID, group ID, full name, the directory and the given username. So I have just similarly as I have done for the last program, I have just entered the file name. Then file name is first thing I need only the thing inode number, so I have just used the cut operation here from the file one. Then the link, the permission, size, month, date, the file name, etc. Else if this is not available, else it will display me file does not exist. So I'll just give escape and I'll show the program output. sh. So I'll enter the file name, file.txt. So it will give me the inode number, the permission, the links are then the username, owner ID, group ID, then the size, month created is February, date is, then after that the file name. So now if I give some name dfg.text, it will tell me file does not exist. So this is about my fifth program. Thank you.